again.
I can't.
Billy, where were you? I was waiting for you at the merry-go-round. He was playing tetherball with me. You were playing with Charlie?
Yes, but...
Yep, and we were about to play again. Come on, Billy, let's get in line.
Charlie, I told you that I could only play one game and that I was going to play with Carmen on the merry-go-round.
But I gave you my McDonald's Transformers. Let me see them.
Here they are. Charlie gave me these Transformers so that I could play with her. I got one for you. Which one do you want?
No. Hey, Jeff, do you want to play on the merry-go-round with me?
Oh, yeah.
Bye, Billy. Have fun with your new best friend.
Wait.
Oh, here you go, Charlie. You're gonna need this wristband so you can play more tetherball. Billy, we have matching wristbands now. Come on, let's go play.